So Carol Ann, how do you like working here?
It's great. It's a great place. Everybody's great. The store's great. It's a great atmosphere. Everything's good here. Really good.
It's time for your break.
Oh, okay. Break time.
Nature's Market interview, take 2. Nick, how you doing today? How's Nature's Market? Do you love it here or what?
Oh, I love it, man. Pays great. It's really cold in here, man.
Well, that's how we keep the produce so fresh.
Yeah, I noticed. It's really fresh. Yeah, I love the managers. Fantastic. Really good employees too. We really strong ship, you know.
That's good, then, Nick.
All right. Where you going? Where you going, man?
All right, you keep working.
I thought you said you'd let me out if I could. Just a couple things about the store.
You keep on going. All right. Where's that lock? So Macy, what's it like to work here at Nature's Market?
I love it. It's the greatest store I've ever worked at.
Mike in Supplements Hard at Work.
Oh, hey there. Richard.
How do you like working here at Nature's Market?
It's great.
Good. There was a time when you didn't like it so much, you remember?
Nope.
You tried to get away.
Never. Of course not. I love it here. It's great.
Thank you, Mike.
Sure. See you, Richard.
Bye.
Oh my God.
We're ready. Hey, Nicole, how's break going?
I don't know if it's something in here or something that's coming in. But I want to leave, but I don't have the energy. I can't leave. I can't sleep at night. I don't want to stay here.
Oh, okay. All right, that's good. You have a good break, Nicole. All right, then.
Everybody from town! You never get me!
He won't get far. Nature's Market, a captivating place to work. He won't get far. They never do.